Having fun, old man?
Oh yeah.
I'm getting over on this side before you get me. So what are we doing here?
Trying to get all the dirt off this motor.
Oh yeah? Lots left to go?
Oh yeah.
So where'd that motor come out of? They moved it on you.
Yeah.
A tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A big forklift.
Okay.
Like,
Something like that.
yeah.
Something like the big forklift. Amazing. So what are you rebuilding it right from, are you tearing it right down or what are you doing?
I think they're selling this to someone.
Oh, okay.
Or I think that's what I heard.
Yeah. Interesting. So they letting you put anything back together yet or you're just tearing stuff apart still?
I put the front wheel axle on that one.
Oh, that's one you were working on, right?
Ford, yeah. On the right side.
Yeah.
Wheel axle, on that one.
And it turns the way it's supposed to?
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. Make us proud.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to shut this down. That's long enough. No one wants to listen to us yap any longer.